welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you part 3 of photoshoot at home ideas. So I've already made 2 parts of photoshoot at home ideas, so if you haven't watched that videos yet, so I will link that videos in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So first of all, thank you so much everyone for showing so much of love and support on my last photoshoot ideas, because I recently hit 65,000 views on my last photoshoot idea, so thank you so much. So yeah, I hope you will like this video as well. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So for the first photoshoot idea, I am going to use my balcony. So this is around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So you can clearly see that the sky is looking so bright and the clouds are so visible. So this is like the perfect time for your photo shoot. So always remember that while taking sky shots, always keep your camera at the lower angle so that you can cover the sky properly. So for this photo shoot, I am trying to give some random and candid poses so that it could look more natural. And also keep on changing your camera angles so that you can capture different sky shots. Next, I am also using this scarf. You can also use any fabric and let it flow along the wind. Lastly, I am going to use my diary, and I am just simply sitting on this railing and trying to pose like a simple me time or self time kind of pose, like I am just reading a book and enjoying the weather. So with the sky shots, no face photo shoot also looks very nice. Like you can see in the picture, it looks like the sky is popping through, which looks absolutely gorgeous. So these are all the pictures which we have got from this photo shoot, and just look at the pictures guys. It is looking so beautiful. The clouds and overall background is looking so perfect, and also I have trees around, so it is also adding in my pictures and it is looking so beautiful. And just look at this no face photo shoot. It is also looking so pretty. Moving on to the second photo shoot idea, which is to use any teddy bear or soft toy which you have. So I am going to use my lavender color teddy bear and just simply and purely give cute poses. And trust me guys that this photo shoot idea is like my favorite from the entire video. And I will also suggest you to wear something furry like I am wearing in this picture, like a sweater, because it will look more comfy and cute in the pictures. Next, I am taking these 2 safety pins and I am going to attach my teddy bear's arm on his eyes so that it could look like a peekaboo kind of a pose. And when you have attached the arms, simply mimic your teddy bear's pose and it will look super cute. Next up, I've also added some more soft toys to my picture so that it could look like a whole picture together. And then randomly you can play around with your sleeves or your hair. And yeah, this is how the pictures from this photo shoot have turned out. And yeah, like I said before, that these are my favorite photo shoot ideas. Look at the picture, guys. It is looking so cute and so beautiful. Like the overall picture, the outfit and the teddy bear is looking so pretty. So for this last photo, I have also added a background to it. So I have shared a similar video in past, so I will link that video in the description box below. So don't forget to check it out. So the third photo shoot idea is by using travel bags. So this is how my entire outfit looks like. And also I've added these yellow sunglasses to make them look more funky and also to make my picture look more playful. So you can use any trolley bag. Here I am using this big trolley bag and just trying to give some random poses like I'm going on a vacation, and also I'm trying to pose like I'm very happy. Just try to keep your poses very simple and joyful. Next, you can also sit on your bag to give more poses. Next, I am just opening my door and giving a pose like I am going out. You can play with the door as well. Next, I am adding another bag, which is a small trolley bag, and also I am going to add a handbag. So just try to add different elements to your picture so that you have more options to choose. Next, I am also adding this printed mask so that it could give my pictures more of a lockdown edition vibes. Lastly, I am just adding this travel postcard in my picture, and I am going to just simply sit in between my bags, and also I am covering my face with this magazine or book. So yeah, these are all the pictures which I got from this photo shoot, and see how pretty and cheerful these photo poses look. And I've also tried to add different elements to my picture so that it could look more nice. And also I like the outfit and the color scheme of the pictures. Moving on to the last photo shoot idea. For that I am going to use my entire bed. So this photo shoot is like more of a comfortable photo shoot like we what usually do on our bed. So first I am simply using this coffee mug and trying to portray like a morning time. So keep on changing your camera angles as well so that you have more variations to your picture. Next I am using my tab. You can use your phone as well, and also I am adding some snacks and trying to give a pose like I am watching something and enjoying it, like a Netflix and chill vibes. And keep on eating snacks as well so that your picture look more candid. Lastly, I am just lying on my bed with my legs on the wall, and also I have added this cute pair of socks so that my picture look more comfy and colorful. Then I'm taking my tab. You can also use your book. So yeah, this is how the pictures from this photo shoot have turned out. And look at the picture guys, it is looking so much vibrant and colorful. You can also simply recreate these pictures without even moving out of your bed, which is like so cool. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So I'll see you next video. Till then, bye.